How to block a number on Google Voice. First of all, open the app on your device or go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Next, go to your message or call section and locate the number you want to block. Tap on the three dot menu next to the number or conversation, then select Block Number from the options. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Block to confirm. Once blocked, the number will no longer be able to call or send text message to your Google Voice number. If you ever want to unblock the number, go to Settings and then Block Numbers, find the number and tap Unblock. Now you know how to block a number on Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.